I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Odyssey valve cover gasket. First, gather all your tools, including a socket set, torque wrench, and a gasket scraper. You'll also need a new valve cover gasket and spark plug tube seals. Safety is key, so always disconnect the negative battery terminal before you begin any work. This prevents accidental electrical shorts and ensures a safer repair process for you. Now, let's get to removing the old gasket. Start by carefully taking off the engine cover and any other parts that might be in your way, like ignition coils or wiring harnesses. Next, unbolt the valve cover, making sure to follow a specific pattern, often from the outside in, to avoid warping the cover. Once all bolts are out, gently pry off the valve cover and remove the old, worn-out gasket. With the old gasket removed, it's time for the new one. First, meticulously clean both mating surfaces on the cylinder head and the valve cover, ensuring no old gasket material remains. Then, carefully install the new valve cover gasket and the new spark plug tube seals into their proper grooves. Finally, reinstall the valve cover, tightening the bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque, usually around 7 to 8 foot-pounds in the correct sequence. You're almost done. Reconnect all the components you removed, including any wiring harnesses and the engine cover. Don't forget to securely reattach the negative battery terminal. Once everything is back in place, start your engine and carefully check around the new valve cover gasket for any signs of leaks. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.